Hello everyone, Alok here. I'm just in my single player world right now, creative mode. This is kind of just where I come up with ideas that we might use on the server. Me and Rio might build things. Um, so this is an idea I came up with as sort of a little mini game that we could add to the castle, and it's essentially just a dungeon. You can see the actual dungeon building here. It's just basically a box of stone. Um, and I'll go ahead and show you what happens. So you just walk inside, pressure plate opens the door, closes it behind you, and these dispensers in the two cells shoot out zombies. And at regular intervals after you walk in, they continue to shoot out zombies using the spawning eggs. And the idea is that you have to fight your way through this. Um, Obviously they're not targeting me because I'm on creative mode right now, but if you were in survival, this would be a big problem. The idea is that you have to kind of walk through, fight through, and find this lever, which turns off spawning and also opens the exit. Um, and you probably have to just kill any... Okay, these guys are all trying to go out. So the idea is that you have to fight through everything and make it through alive. And that's pretty much all there is to the minigame. Alright, so let's go over how it works. It's fairly simple because I am not a redstone wizard by any means, so it should be straightforward to understand. This pressure plate is what starts everything off. When you step on it, obviously the door opens so you can walk in, and it'll close behind you because it's no longer powered. But at the same time, it sends power down to this redstone line. So this wire comes down here and it splits at this end. So this end starts essentially the clock. It's just a bunch of repeaters set up in a circle, and this is approximately 8 seconds, I think. So this will go in a circle, the signal will go in a circle, and every time it goes, it sends a pulse this way. And this will send power to these two green lines that you see here, which pulse the dispensers, which dispense a zombie into the cells. Now you'll notice that when you step on the pressure plate as well, this line here gets powered and then sends power to the two dispensers, so that immediately when you step in the room, two zombies will be there, and so you have a challenge right from the beginning. So you can't just run to the other end and open the switch. Now the other feature is that we have the lever here that's on the other side of this wall. It powers this line, gets inverted, um, and it comes down here. Actually, I think it gets inverted twice, actually. And powers these two pistons. This piston will block off power here, so just in case the clock is running and is about to send a pulse, it'll block any pulse from being sent to the dispensers, and then it'll block off this line here so that the clock will eventually stop turning. And that's pretty much how it works. So we will be placing something like this, probably not exactly this, we'll have more rooms I imagine. But we will be placing something like this in the castle, in the basement. But that's probably one of the last few things that we'll do. But I just wanted to give you all a preview of it. And if you have any suggestions on how I can make this more efficient, I'm totally welcome to it. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching.